Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited to be sharing some ideas with you today about how to make your wellness hotel the kind of place that people dream of visiting. You know, the kind of place that just feels like home. Comfortable, inviting, and focused on helping people feel their very best. We'll be diving into all sorts of fun ideas today, from incorporating those beautiful natural elements we all love, like herbal teas, to blending in modern technology in a way that feels seamless and approachable. Because at the end of the day, we want your guests to leave feeling refreshed, renewed, and ready to share their incredible experience with the world. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Now, I know what you might be thinking, technology in a wellness hotel, but hear me out. Technology doesn't have to be cold and impersonal. In fact, it can actually help us create a more personalized and relaxing experience for every single guest. Imagine this. Your guests arrive, and right there in their room, they're greeted with a tablet that helps them create their own custom wellness plan for their stay. Maybe they'd love to start each morning with a guided meditation, or perhaps they're interested in exploring different herbal tea blends for better sleep. The key here is to use technology thoughtfully, making it an inviting tool that empowers your guests to create the experience crave. No pressure, just pure relaxation and rejuvenation. And you know how much I love creating spaces that connect us with nature. There's just something so magical about being outdoors, breathing in the fresh air, and letting go of all the stress and worries of everyday life. And that's where the idea of moonlight yoga comes in. Imagine this, a warm summer night, the soft glow of the moon illuminating your beautiful space, and your guests gathered together, moving and breathing in perfect harmony. It's not just about the physical practice. It's about creating a shared experience, a sense of community and connection that lingers long after the last sun salutation. Chapter 3. Sharing the gift of wellness knowledge. You know, one of the things I'm most passionate about is empowering others to embrace a healthier, more mindful lifestyle. And what better way to do that than by offering workshops right there in the heart of your wellness oasis? Think about hosting sessions on herbalism where guests can learn about the incredible healing power of plants and even create their own custom tea blends. Or maybe a workshop on mindful breathing techniques, guided meditation, or even the art of creating a calming home spa experience. These workshops provide such incredible value to your guests, giving them practical tools and knowledge they can take home and incorporate into their daily lives. Chapter 4. Thoughtful touches, lasting memories. When it comes to creating a truly unforgettable experience, it's often the little things that make the biggest difference. Those thoughtful touches that make your guests feel seen, cared for, and completely at ease. Imagine this. Your guests arrive in their room after a long day of travel, and waiting for them is a selection of beautifully packaged premium herbal teas. Maybe there's a handwritten note with a description of each blend and its unique benefits. It's such a simple gesture, but it speaks volumes about your commitment to their well-being. And who knows, you might just inspire a lifelong love of herbal tea. Chapter 5. Your wellness journey. Personalized. Okay, now let's talk about taking personalization to the next level. Imagine creating holistic health programs that cater to each guest's individual needs and wellness goals. Think about incorporating interactive QR codes throughout your hotel. Guests can scan these codes to access personalized detox plans, guided meditations tailored to their specific needs, or even healthy recipes featuring, you guessed it, delicious herbal teas. This is about creating a truly immersive wellness journey, one that empowers your guests to take control of their health and well-being long after they check out. Until next time. Well, friends, I hope this has sparked some inspiration for you. Remember, creating a truly exceptional wellness hotel is all about creating an experience that nourishes the mind, body, and soul. By incorporating these ideas, from embracing technology to celebrating the simple beauty of nature, you can create a space where your guests feel truly cared for and inspired to live their healthiest, happiest lives. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas on creating spaces that feel like home. Thank you for watching. Implement these tips to elevate your wellness hotel experience and delight your guests. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on enhancing